Alright, you guys, I made a little pit stop at the New York Renaissance Fair. Yep, I told you I would come here. Never been here before. Hopefully it'll be fun. I know it's been around for many years. Well, I'm not the only one that's not in costume, and I'm pretty happy about that. I didn't want to stick out like a sore thumb. But some of these costumes are wild. Thankfully, I'm not the only one that's underdressed.
I understand. It's over for you.
And I was like, what are you talking about? The eagle is very cool.
You buyers, you can't. Let's on to the timber! Let's do it. Yeah. I didn't even do it.
I'll do food. I'm crazy. Oh, yes.
Oh, good. Okay. Is it like
Probably just gonna do like a walking tour since I've never been here before.
No, I wouldn't. This would die, so I mean.
I know. I just planted a cake. Right? I want to be a little bigger. Then you're probably a little carried. I guess when it gets going, I
I'll just close the half that after.
That's where we met. I remember.
anybody else to give her an introduction. It's Star Power! It's like Indiana Jones and a Powerpuff Girl had a baby. Lords and ladies and lords, mystical beings of all identities. My name is Star. If you forget my name, it's written on my butt. I do dangerous things for amazing people. Let's see how amazing you are. I'm gonna crack this whip. When I crack this whip, I need everybody to shout, "Oh yeah!" Can you do it?
Oh yeah!
Good job, child. Very good, proud of you.
What? You get these candles?
Okay, I'll take Jake. Hey, wait up there. Wait up.
I like yummy things inside.
I love doing archery and middle school. No, you gotta walk up and say, "Can I get my picture with you?"
That's cool. Archery.
Do we do it wrong?
Yeah, I did.
I mean, whether I do or not.
From Palsy Posy, starting on the shoulder. Good girl. Palsy, face the audience to build dramatic tension. And Palsy, climb the ladder. Press the lever. Harder. Yeah! A big hand for a small star. Palsy! And don't forget our other stars today. We have cats, we have rats, we have
Well, that's it for me, you guys. That was a quick trip. I thought I would need a couple hours, but I just walked through the entire Renaissance Fair. It's a cool place. Cool place. Different experience. Yeah. I don't know what else more I could tell you. It's probably a one-timer for me. Maybe because I missed opening weekend. There was an event I wanted to see, but I guess they're not doing it anymore. Oh well. It's a cool thing. I'm sure many of you guys have been to it, and I do recommend it. It's a fun place. If I was with my family, I'd probably stay here longer, but probably because I'm by myself, I only needed a quick hour or so. Alright, that's it for me, you guys. Remember, hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. And to keep your notifications on, hit that bell icon. This way you'll be notified whenever there's a new video that comes out. Anyways, have a good one. See you on the next episode.